Good morning, everybody. Hope you can hear me. I hope you can hear me now. Good morning, everybody. It is Wednesday, and just want to apologize because back on Monday I didn't actually do a video, and just want to apologize for that. But reason I didn't was that I wasn't actually feeling very well, but that'd been because I'd been out teaching for about 2-3 weeks straight, and body was feeling that. But I just wanted to first of all say thanks very much for watching, thanks for tuning in. So for me, that situation on the Monday, what's actually got me through, instead of having to go to the doctor and stuff like that, I've been drinking this amazing red tea, which has really helped me out. And I've been getting that from my dear friend Denise Maloney. So if anyone ever has any like chest infections, colds or anything like that, that red tea has always got me through, and it's been really helping me out. The other thing I drink a lot of is green tea. So if anyone ever gets sore throats or problems with their voice, just check out that green tea from Denise. Next thing I want to mention is that I guess for me, when I'm doing business with someone, there's something that instantly attracts me to them. And it's something that we don't typically think about, don't expect, and it's actually someone's heart. Now, recently, I think it was back maybe, I forgot what day of the week it is. I think it was last week, I posted on Facebook that I was looking for cheap flights to go to the US. And someone actually posted on there, and I actually ended up connecting with that person. And I ended up doing something and booking flights with that person. But it was interesting because it was not essentially the product that they had to sell me. It was just their approach, and it was just I just instantly connected with the person because they actually asked a lot of questions about me, and the way that that person's been dealing with me has been phenomenal. Now, her name is Heather, and if you want her details, I highly recommend her because she actually went so much out of her way to make sure that I got the cheapest price. And she was picking up her kids from school, she was at Coles, she was doing all these different things, but she was always thinking about me and had me on her mind. And I was a client, but I was just a client, but she really went out of her way to make sure that I was happy, right? And I think in network marketing, and I'm picking this topic because it is one true to my heart. And if you're watching, like or love, or just put a comment if you have ever experienced where you've been sent a link by somebody and you didn't even ask for it, right? Just like or just put a comment, because I don't know how many times over the last 3 or 4 years where the internet has been around and network marketers have just started this trend of just sending out their link. All right, and there's sort of been a sense of, I'll just send my link to everybody and everybody's just going to join up. And looks like we've got a situation. I need to move my car, but that's cool, I'll just move my car. Someone's trying to get in. So coming back to what I was saying about sending the link, right? And for some reason, network marketing has sort of turned into net spam marketing, right? And what sometimes people forget to realize is that people only do business with people they know, like, and trust, right? And the thing is that we sort of, in network marketing, there's a presumption that how do I put it? That because it's network marketing, that it's going to defy the principles of any other type of business, right? And people get very, very passionate about their product, which is fantastic. It's awesome to have a great product. But what we need to remember is that people don't actually buy the product first. They're going to buy the relationship first. So if I come back to whenever I've purchased a product, whether it's been network marketing or anything at all, it's because I've felt like I can really know, like, and trust the person I'm dealing with, right? And so coming back to Denise that sells me the tea, I love Denise to bits, but I also love the tea, right? But it's because I have had an amazing, solid relationship with Denise that I actually buy the tea, right? And then there's Heather with the travel agent, Heather doesn't do network marketing as such, but I'm always going to go back to her because of the heart, the love, the tenacity, the diligence that she's shown with me, and the connection that we've created, right? So whenever I'm going to go and book another holiday in the future, I'm always going to go straight back to her. Now, I've joined network marketing companies in the past, and it hasn't been because I've, necessarily seen the product and gone, wow. It's because I've really trusted and I've really connected with that person. And when people first join network marketing, particularly in their first 3 to 6 months, there's a sense of, I've got this amazing product, I'm going to tell the world about it, and instantly they're just going to join up and love the product. But what we need to realize, and what was really shared with me recently that clarified this, right? And it's something I've always lived by, but it just clarified it. In network marketing, there's 3 pieces to it. Number one, well, in no particular order, you've got the product, and then you've got the people. But what often happens is that people, when they're going out sharing their business and whatever it might be, is that they will often put product, self, and then person. But what we need to realize is that if we're going to build a network marketing business, we need to flip it around the other way. And we need to be focused totally on the other person, then the product, and then ourselves last. And the other thing is, I'm going to say something a little bit controversial. Not everybody needs to and should join your business. When you're out there sharing your thing as to how it can help people, don't expect that it is going to be the right thing for every single person. We need to really connect deeply with the other person and go, is what I've actually got going to help and serve them, right? Now, it could be a health thing or a financial thing, but we need to first go, how can I truly connect with this person? How can I serve and how can I create value for them, right? And when we try to put ourselves first, or put our product first, that's when the no's start to happen. And so this net spam marketing thing that's going on Facebook and different places, it kind of saddens me, because it really shows that instead of actually people reaching out to connect, people are just throwing their thing out there, right? And sure, yeah, it'll help. Occasionally you'll get people that'll bite and, maybe go, wow, that's an amazing whatever, and then join business, but it's quite rare. And I'll have to say that whenever people have joined my business, it's, I guess what I've realized and when I've unpacked it, it's been because I've taken the time to get to know the other person. I've taken the time to go, what do they want? How can I help them? And is what I've got going to really solve their issues, their problems, right? So going into 2017, what I really want to share and encourage and supporting people doing is get connected with other people. Be there for other people, and you'll find that just naturally people are going to gravitate towards you because they're going to see that you actually care. And over the last 3 or 4 days, I've actually opened up my inbox, and I've seen people sending me links and spamming me and things like that, and I'm like, wow, they haven't even asked me if I'm interested in doing anything else. They haven't even asked me, Mark, how's things going? They haven't even taken time to find out about who am I and what am I up to and things like that. It's just, oh, here's the link, check it out. It's the biggest thing in Australia. It's going to take over the world. It's going to be amazing. It's going to ground floor opportunity. Like, well, maybe it is, but really, there's a lot of assumptions that are going on there. Assuming that it's right for me, assuming that I have that problem, assuming whatever it might be. And I used to do a lot of sales coaching for people, and I used to help out network marketers, used to help out people doing cold calls and all that. And one of the biggest things I share with people is that assumptions actually kill trust. Assumptions kill trust. And we need to come in to any prospecting situation, any kind of sales situation, with a completely open mind. And when you can come in and go, how can I help this person? How can I serve them? Is what I've actually got going to help them, going to serve them? And is it the right time for them? When you take that focus and that approach, people feel that, and people feel your presence. And I guess for me, 2016 has been a big year of growth, big year of destruction, a big year of rebuilding, and a real big year of connecting to who I am so that I can go out there and serve more people. And I am working on something, and I'm really enjoying it, because for me 2017 is more a year of how can I connect more deeply with myself and connect more deeply with other people. And when I look at really successful business people out there, I just see them as really powerful people to do that. They're great networkers because they're out there serving and sharing and, you know, creating new possibilities for people. And, you know, I look for people that are really successful in network marketing, and all they do is just connect and serve, connect and serve, connect and serve. That's all it is, right? But they don't do it with any assumptions, right? And they don't take it personally whether or not their thing is right for someone else. And also, they don't go, here's my thing, you have to join, or here's my thing, it's the best thing on the planet, right? They get to know people. And so I want to encourage everyone, as I said, 2017, make it a year of connecting, making a year of, you know, serving and helping other people. And you'll just find that your networks are going to grow, your business is going to grow. And in network marketing, we often say, know your story, and know your why. Well, that's great. That's really phenomenal. That's fantastic training. But now what I want to stretch and encourage, you know, everyone out there doing a network marketing business is, take the shift away, take the emphasis and focus away from your story, your why, and get to know other people's story and their why. And then you'll find instantly people will be attracted to you, because guess what? You're interesting because you're interested in them, right? And a lot of times we look for the perfect things to say, the perfect whatevers, but, you know, at the end of the day, if you don't have that connection, that relationship, you can have the magic, you know, words on the planet, but if there's no connection and you say something fancy, they're not going to listen to you anyway. Just like I put on Facebook, I think yesterday, if you're not willing to, what did I say? Something like, if you're not being heard, well then maybe it's because you're not listening to the other person, right? So in network marketing, it's a really tough business, because really it forces you to actually get good at the number one thing, which is connecting with other people. And sometimes that's a bit tricky for us, because, you know, we've got a lot of stuff in our heads, or, you know, it actually forces us to care and show love for other people, all right? So 2017, it's going to be an awesome year. Keep going out there, supporting, loving on other people, and keep being the best version of yourself, because when you are, your business grows, your network grows, and, you know, people are going to fall in love with you because you care about them, right? So as I said, you know, if you want to change your business, focus more on the people, less on the product, and less on yourself. Hope you got some value from this video, and hope you're all having an amazing week. We're about 4 days out of Christmas. I'm really looking forward to Christmas, having a great time. And then next week I'm off to the US for some pretty intense mentoring to definitely set myself up for 2017. Got some great things happening, and, you know, looking forward to coming back and sharing that with a lot of people. But my view and personal opinion is, if I've got somewhere to go and something I want to achieve, I always want to look at who's doing it and how do I learn that faster. All right, so thanks very much for watching. Hope you got some value out of the video, and remember that this game, it ain't net spam marketing. All right, so thanks for watching, and hope you have a great rest of the week, great weekend, and yeah, don't burn yourself out doing Christmas shopping. Remember this time of I guess replenishment as well. All right, don't feel that you have to just how do I put this, be there for other people. Make sure you take some time for yourself as well. All right, so thanks very much for watching. Hope you have a great week, and yeah, I'll check in back with you on Friday morning. And yeah, thanks for watching again.